Do you want to know how to get a job offer in this session? Do you want to know how off-campus placements work? Do you want to know how me and my friends got multiple job opportunities, that too in this recession, and that too in just a matter of months? Well, that's exactly what we're going to talk about in this video, a complete guide to off-campus placements. So hit the like button and watch this video till the end. In this video, we're going to talk completely about off-campus placements, how you can apply for tech jobs like software development, product management, data scientist, and even sales roles, right? I'm going to share how you can ask for referrals, how to send cold mail to people for jobs and internships. I'm even going to share my personal cold mail templates that I've made, and it worked greatly for me. I'm going to share tips and advices to have maximum replies to these cold mails. And basically, I'm sharing everything that I have in my arsenal. So do share this video with your friends as well. Firstly, let's get the main question out of the way, which is what are the best websites to apply for jobs and internships. So see, personally I mainly use LinkedIn and AngelList, but there are a bunch of other websites like Naukri, InstaHire, Shine, and a lot more. But trust me, the platforms hardly matter here. I can say this for sure that if you give 90% of your effort in LinkedIn and AngelList, तुमको job मिल जाएगा, but तुमको सारे effort देने पड़ेंगे इधर. So for LinkedIn, the first thing that you need to do is make a killer LinkedIn profile which recruiters are gonna love and which is highly job optimized. But luckily for you, I've already made a video about this, so go check that video out, watch that and come back. Now that your LinkedIn profile is complete, you need to start applying. But how? So here are the different ways. First one is getting a referral. So you've seen this amazing opportunity at Google or Amazon or Walmart, and what are you going to do? How are you going to apply? Are you going to apply by just going to their career portal and applying? That is never going to work. Never. Imagine this, Google कितनी बड़ी company, Amazon कितनी बड़ी company, and imagine how many people are applying to these companies daily. लाखों applicants मिलते होंगे, and तुम उधर जाके career portal में जाके apply कर रहे हो. Will that work? No, right? What you need to do here is get a referral. So referral is basically a referral or a recommendation by an existing employee of that company like Google, Amazon, and basically they're referring you. They're basically saying कि हाँ भाई मैं इस बंदे को जानता हूँ, he has done good, उसका प्रोफाइल अच्छा है, please hire him. तो ये क्या करता है, तुम लोग का सोचो एक स्टैक है, एक बहुत बड़ा सा स्टैक है. अगर तुम्हारा प्रोफाइल इधर का ही है, when you have a referral, basically your profile goes from here to the top of the stack. तो तुम्हारा प्रोफाइल टॉप ऑफ द स्टैक में चला जाता है. दैट्स व्हाट अ रेफरल डज. So in this way, the chances of HR seeing your resume becomes 100x better because simply तुम्हारा रेज्यूमे फाइल के नीचे से ऊपर में आ जाता है. रेज्यूमे ऊपर से चेक करेंगे, उन लोगों को मिल जाएगा तुम्हारा प्रोफाइल. But what if you don't have someone in your connection who works at Google or maybe the company that you want to apply in? Well, that's when you have to identify someone who works at Google and send them a good connection request with a note that makes them want to accept your connection request. Now remember, these guys are taking time out of their day to refer you. So please be kind, please be direct, do not waste their time. Just ask what you want. If you want to see some templates that I used while asking for a referral, here you go. I'll link all of these in the description below, so you can go check it out right from the document that I shared here. But remember, don't copy these templates directly. This is a template after all. This worked from me. What you have to do is take these templates and then you have to personalize it for your own situation. मैंने ये अपने लिए personalize किया, तुमको ये अपने लिए personalize करना है. तो ये template को लो, personalize करो and then use it. चलो अब referral का फंडा तो clear हो गया. But how can you get interview calls through cold mailing or through LinkedIn? The first thing you have to do is set up job alerts for specific parts of the cities. Like suppose you want a job in Bangalore, so set up job alerts for both Bangalore and in India. I've seen multiple times that कुछ जॉब है कि वो बैंगलोर जॉब अलर्ट में दिखता है बट इंडिया वाले में नहीं दिखता है, बट इंडिया वाले में दिखता है, बैंगलोर में नहीं दिखता है, इवन दो द लोकेशन इज ऑफ बैंगलोर, पर पता नहीं क्यों नहीं दिखता है. सो डू सेट अप जॉब अलर्ट्स, डिफरेंट जॉब अलर्ट्स, वन फॉर बैंगलोर एंड वन फॉर इंडिया. इंडिया में बैंगलोर वाले को देखते रहो, बाकी को देखने की जरूरत नहीं है बिकॉज यू आर अप्लाइंग ओनली फॉर जॉब्स इन बैंगलोर. नाउ वंस दिस जॉब अलर्ट्स आर सेट, तुमको इधर जाके बस अप्लाई नहीं करना है कि इजी अप्लाई इजी अप्लाई इजी अप्लाई, ऐसे नहीं करना है. दिस वर्क्स द सेम वे एज जब मैं रेफरल के बारे में समझा रहा था कि इधर हजार लोग अप्लाई कर रहे हैं. मतलब ऐसे नहीं काम करेगा कि तुम इजी अप्लाई करोगे, तुम बैठे रहो कि हाँ भाई हो गया मेरा काम. That's not how it works. Again, here also you have to do the same thing. तुमको अगर वो कनेक्शन में है, यू हैव टू कोल्ड मेल दिस पीपल, फाइंड आउट हु द हायरिंग मैनेजर्स और द एचआरस आर ऑफ दिस कंपनीज दैट आर हायरिंग एंड उनको कोल्ड मेल करो. टेम्पलेट्स चाहिए, ये रहा टेम्पलेट, अगेन लिंक इज इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन. दिस कोल्ड कनेक्शन रिक्वेस्ट मैसेज हेल्प मी गेट अ लॉट ऑफ रिप्लाईज, बट ऑब्वियसली tweak it, personalize it to your own. Remember, hiring manager and HRs are always looking for good talent to hire. And imagine someone good just coming into their hands कि हाँ भाई मेरे मेल में आ गया डायरेक्ट कि भाई क्या बंदा है या फिर क्या बंदी है, भाई इसको तो हायर करूंगा ही. अगर खुद के मेल में आ जाता है, दैट इज एक्सट्रीमली गुड फॉर देम एंड दे विल ऑब्वियसली कीप यू अप. Now, do you want to go to the next level? Now, ये तो LinkedIn का हो गया. Now, find out the email IDs of these people and cold email them. Actually, cold email them. But how do you get the email IDs of these people? Well, these are HRs and hiring managers. They often have their email IDs in their experience section. या फिर उन लोगों का कोई recent activity होगा जहाँ पे they liked a candidate and उनको अपना email ID share किया था. ऐसे मिल सकता है. और another way is that email IDs are usually in corporate or in startups कि their first name @companyname.com. लाइक मैं अगर कॉन्टलो का बात करूँ जहाँ पे मैं काम कर रहा हूँ, नेहा इज़ आर HR, सो HR's email ID इज़ neha@contlo.com. जाओ इधर जाके बॉम्बार्ड कर दो. We are always hiring for software development interns, software developers. Now, if you're still not able to find their email IDs, you can always use hunter.io or finder.io, which will help you find these email IDs. Want a cold email template? Well, check this out. Now, do you want to raise the bar even more? Get yourself a LinkedIn Premium. LinkedIn Premium से क्या होता है, जब ये जॉब ओपनिंग शेयर होती है तो इनके HRs और हायरिंग मैनेजर्स जिसने ये जॉब ओपनिंग शेयर किया है उनका प्रोफाइल भी पब्लिक हो जाता है. सो यू कैन डायरेक्टली सेंड देम अ LinkedIn कोल्ड कनेक्शन रिक्वेस्ट मैसेज. एंड सिंस यू हैव अ LinkedIn Premium, यू कैन ऑल्सो सेंड देम इन मेल्स. इन मेल्स में यू डोंट इवन नीड टू बी देयर कनेक्शन. तुम उन लोग को डायरेक्टली भेज सकते हो इन मेल्स. बट LinkedIn Premium कैन बी कॉस्टली, राइट? Do you want to know how you can get it for free? So I have a hack for you. So क्या होता है, जो LinkedIn employees है, they have the capability to give you 6 months of LinkedIn Premium just for free. So तुमने जो अभी तक कोल्ड मेल के बारे में टिप्स सीखी है, सारे जो ट्रिक्स सीखा है, you can actually सर्च फॉर LinkedIn प्रोफाइल, LinkedIn एम्प्लॉयज़ एंड उनको जाकर डायरेक्टली कोल्ड ये कर सकते हो कि भाई आई वॉन्ट अ LinkedIn प्रीमियम, कैन यू प्लीज़ हेल्प मी आउट, आई हैव हर्ड दैट यू हैव द कैपेबिलिटी टू सेंड, मतलब 6 मंथ्स के लिए फ्री दे सकते हो. आई डिड दिस विद वन ऑफ माई कॉलेज alumni एंड आई गॉट अ 6 month LinkedIn प्रीमियम जस्ट लाइक दिस. गो ट्राई दैट आउट एंड लेट मी नो इन LinkedIn वेदर दैट वर्कड और नॉट. तो अभी रेफरल हो गया, जॉब अलर्ट्स हो गया. वॉट आर सम अदर वेज वेर यू कैन अप्लाई फॉर जॉब्स? अब ये होता है कि जिन लोगों का LinkedIn हेडलाइन में लिखा हुआ रहता है कि हायरिंग फॉर सॉफ्टवेयर इंजीनियर्स, हायरिंग फॉर रॉकस्टार इंजीनियर्स, हायरिंग फॉर प्रोडक्ट, इनके दे समटाइम्स डू नॉट ओपनली पब्लिसाइज कि वी आर हायरिंग, मतलब उन लोग का जॉब ओपनिंग्स नहीं होगा, बट दे वांट पीपल टू डायरेक्टली कम टू देम. तो उन लोग ने LinkedIn हेडलाइन पे लिख के रखा है, सेंड देम अ कोल्ड मेल और कोल्ड LinkedIn मैसेज रिक्वेस्ट इंक्वायरिंग की वेदर दे आर हायरिंग और नॉट एंड देन सेंड योर रेज्यूमे. इनमें से मेरे को काफ़ी लोग से रिप्लाई मिला था एंड दिस इज एक्चुअली हाउ आई गॉट माई जॉब हियर एट Contlo. आई मैसेज सम ऑफ द पीपल हु आर हायरिंग फॉर दिस रॉकस्टार इंजीनियर्स प्रोडक्ट ये, एंड दिस इज हाउ आई गॉट दिस अपॉर्चुनिटी हियर एट Contlo. यू वांट अ कोल्ड मेल टेम्पलेट दैट आई यूज्ड पर्सनली फॉर दिस? Well, check this out. Now, referrals हो गए, job alerts हो गए, hiring for rockstar engineers, product ये हो गया. What are some other ways where you can actually apply for jobs off campus? Now, this is something which is very unorthodox. My friend, my roommate Aviral got a job through this. I also got a internship a product internship offer in my second year, just like this. So this works for startups which are seed funded, Series A funded. Basically, what you have to do is that find these founders. They are very active on Twitter. They're very active on LinkedIn. उनको approach करो directly कि hi, I love your company, I love your culture. I've heard a lot about your company. उनको cold mail करो and cold mail करके pitch करो कि how you will be a great addition to their team and ask them, inquire them whether they are hiring or not and how you'll be a great fit to their team. Send them your resume. This is how my friend got into BharatX, which is a YC company, Y Combinator company. This is how I got myself a interview call at a startup in my second year. So you need not mail only founders. You can mail to VP of product, VP of growth, VP of software engineering, head of technology, CTO. सबको तुम मेल कर सकते हो. Basically anybody who has the authority to hire you. इनके कोल्ड मेल टेम्पलेट्स क्या होंगे, इनको क्या कोल्ड मेल करना चाहिए? वेल, कोल्ड मेल टेम्पलेट्स तो दिए हुए आपके पास, उनको ट्वीक करो, ट्वीक करके सेंड देम दिस कोल्ड मेल्स. So these were everything that I knew about LinkedIn and how to apply for off-campus jobs in LinkedIn. Now LinkedIn हो गया, तो let's move on to AngelList, or now it is called Wellfound. Now Wellfound is one of my favorite places to look for job openings, especially in the startup world. Like अगर startup में job openings है, पूरा दुनिया, इट कैन बी इन यूक्रेन, इट कैन बी इन यूरोप, इट कैन बी इन यूएस, उसका जॉब ओपनिंग एक होगा ही इसमें वेल फाउंड में. Startup founders are very active here. Now the first thing that you need to do is make a great profile. तुम CV में जितना अच्छा लिखते हो उतना अच्छा ही तुमको लिखना पड़ेगा इधर well found profile में. Now there are two ways of applying here in well found. Obviously you can apply here directly, but one other very unorthodox way of applying in well found or angel list is looking for these founders in LinkedIn and Twitter. Basically एक job opening में well found में their founders profile वो सब share किया रहता है. So you can simply search for the name in Twitter or maybe in LinkedIn. Founders are usually very active in Twitter and LinkedIn. So तुम उनको मेल कर सकते हो, उनका कंपनी ढूंढ सकते हो. Then तुम उसका कंपनी जब मिल गया तुम उसका HR को ढूंढ सकते हो. You can find their hiring managers, you can find their VP of product, you can find their CTO, and you can cold mail all of these people. But obviously try to cold mail only 2 to 3 people or max to max 4. सबको cold mail मत करो, that's spamming. Now this was all about Wellfound, and next are all the other websites that I mentioned in the start of the video, which is InstaHire, Naukri, Shine, etc, etc. Now I really haven't used much of these, but from what I've heard from other people who have gotten job offers in this recession is that Naukri is the best, and in Naukri you can actually get authentic job callings and they actually call you to get these interview calls. A lot of my friends have actually gotten calls from here. So इन सारे वेबसाइट्स में नौकरी, इंस्टा, इधर जाके प्रोफाइल बना दो, 100% प्रोफाइल बना दो and keep it updated and regularly check करते रहो whether you get any calls or not. So that's it for the video guys. I'll link down all the cold mail templates that I shared in this video in a document which will be there in the description below. Go check that out. And if you did like this video, do hit the like button and comment करो कि what did you like about this video, and obviously share it with your friends. Like I said in this session, be together, एक साथ करो सब कुछ, सब एक साथ जाओगे तो you'll be less depressed, you'll be more motivated to find a job in this recession. So all the best to all of you out there. Bye bye.